Hello. Everybody is an interest one, in which I wanted to talk a little bit. There was a guy who did this one too for his, for a glove. And that was very, very important. And it was useful for our wheelchairs, especially manual wheelchairs. We were going back and forth with our manual wheelchairs from here and there, and then our gloves start to get really bad. So, and I've gotten some ideas, and some no, I use these all the time, and they really, really, I love them. So this one is a regular. I know you all have seen this one. You've seen it. It's one of those gloves that have it has a squeaky type, and I love it. And I love these grab my my wheelchair all the time. So I use these. I love them. And then I have one that's also has another uh, padded grip on it that also works if you want to cover, your little thumbs here, right? So I've had these two for the Luxo bike. So I've used these from time to time. When things get really very cold, so I use those. But I love these for the big. This one is for the HTZ poo. Poo. So I use this all the time, and I get them through. I get them through a job. What's it called? Let me pull it out here. I know I'll find it. It is Amazon. I find them all the time. So the HTZ Plu. I get it all the time. And they're 18 and 19 bucks per one, and they're all the same, and have different styles. Purple, for purple, black, or blue, all kinds of type. So that's an idea. You can get those. So they're great. They're great. I love them. So also when it's very cold, I've used these too, but these are good. They keep them warm all the time, and these are a type where it is it's called it's not a anti-slip. It is, you can call it for an anti-slip, but it's I can't say it right now, but it's had also padded grip, so it'll grab really good every single time. So those are really good. So at Amazon, you will also find similar types that can be really, really simple ones, and they're $5. You can find $5, or you can find for $9. You can get them really cheap and have a couple. $5. You can find them around at Amazon, and they're usually available, and you can have those $6, and they're practical and biking, and they'll use those too, and they're excellent. And just have a couple of those from time to time, and you'll find those $9. You can have a few there of those for yourself, and that'll help the um there's $12. You can find a couple, so that are good, and you'll have those for great time. And just keep a few decks, keep them a few here or there, and it'll keep you, with your hands will find great, you know. So I use them with wheelchairs, with my manual, when it comes. Hopefully it'll come soon. And then we'll work around with the manual wheelchair, and you'll take a look and see what it looks and how I'm feeling. There's one here for $7. These gloves, touch screen type. Another one for $11. So it's just so cheap, and you can find a whole bunch of them. Keep a few of them, and keep your hands. There's $14. It's a little bit, and depending on the type, so you can use those and just have them, around for yourself, to make sure that you can have 2, 3 around, so that when you're using your manual wheelchairs, that's really important. So it doesn't have to be one or the other, or being, like very, a lot of money or anything. No, just get a couple for you, and then you can change them off here and there, and those are great, excellent, and it'll keep your hands, without turdy, and without falling apart. And it'll help your work when you're doing your manual wheelchair. So I just wanted to really bring this idea so that you know that there are a bunch of types that you can go in Amazon or other places where you can find some really good gloves to keep your hands from not turning your hands from falling apart. Okay, so you need something like that to keep your hands good, with some $9, $11, little things at Amazon, and that will work you to good ideas here and there. It doesn't have to be anything anything special. And mine, I know, is gonna work. It's gonna fall apart one of these days. Mine has its little pieces, but it'll work, and I can get another few, that have a few bucks here and there, and then I'm done. I'm ready. All right. So think about that. It's important to have some good gloves that's going to keep the idea from keeping you, from going from one person to another, or wherever you're going, but your wheelchair is good, and your hands don't fall apart to 1,000 pieces. All right. So that is my big idea. So I just thought it would be a good one. All right. Take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.